It is Tuesday morning. How are you guys doing? I am on my way to work. I just want to come on here and say hi, guys. How you guys like my wig? My baby did my wig over. You know, put me a little lashes on, trying to get me right. So yeah, I got my chicken salad and my crackers. And that is lunch with a bottle of tea. I will see you guys on my way home once I get off work. Fish needs to be heated up. This is his. I'm just gonna warm it up right quick. Ooh. Put the salad together. And all the good stuff, of course, has fallen to the bottom. Let me put some spinach at the, right there, and then it's thick. This is dinner, guys. All right, good morning, guys. Whew. I am up and dressed. Showing you guys my outfit of the day. I just got some jeans on. Some wide-legged jeans on, a gray sweatshirt, and my blue sweater. Take this sticker off. I'm not flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess you made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour. That is, do you guys see how gorgeous that looks? Like, look at that. Just look at the whole, right, let me move my light back. Just look at like the whole view of how I want my kitchen to look. I want to show you guys two packages I got. The first one is for my husband at work. Oh, he don't never want to take a lunchbox, so I got him this from Amazon. So this is a backpack, you guys. It is made from Lewin. You guys can see that. So first of all, let me show you guys. First of all, this part of it is the best part, I think. It is a cooler, like a backpack cooler. Right down here, how it looks. He can put his drinks in there, his sandwiches, fruit, keep it cold. It's leak proof. And then on the side, he can put like, we can have a picnic. He can put wine bottles, beer in there. And then this is a little compartment for silverware, napkins, or whatever. Put whatever he wants in there, his snacks, his nuts, his chips, or whatever. Or paper plates or something if we have a picnic. And then the inside, if I can open this, there it is. The inside is nice and big for his stuff from work, his tape measure, his gloves, his box cutter, all his other stuff he be using. Oh my God. Do you guys see? And then it locks. Wait, let me see. I think I remember how it, there it is. Opens up like this. And then it locks back in. And it sits like this. And then this locks it in place. And it's nice and comfy. It's nice and comfortable. Adjustable. It's magnetic. I have to put that on the back of my phone. These magnets. Oh, wow, guys. And I think it extends. Cookies, they are ready to go. Got my silicone pan, so I'm doing these. Once that's done, because my peanut butter will be ready in a minute. I just taste the container of chocolate chip, and these right here. Whoa! Oh, I'm trying to show them and made them fall. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Notification. Thank you guys for watching.